I'm Brian Van, here to announce our January through February 2018 deals and share what's new at STG. Okay, deal number one, the AGV Sport Echelon Full Gauntlet Glove. We bought a ton of these. I feel this is a great full gauntlet glove that's going to be good for track days and or street riding. Comfortable, tons of protection. It doesn't have palm sliders, plastic palm sliders, but it does use a super fabric here that will have the same net effect. Retail on this glove was $150. We have them now for $79.95. That is a massive savings, almost 50%. They're available in black, white, red, and fluorescent. Okay, deal number two, the AGV Sport Atom Perforated Leather Jacket. Retail on this was $300. We've got this for $199. I'm showing you right now, this is the black red. We've got all black here. And then we have black with white. Great value, awesome, warm weather leather jacket. Okay, now we've got some kick-ass boot deals. We'll start off with the best one. This is the Sidi Fusion white black boots. Currently we have all sizes available. $139.95. The retail on this boot was about $200. This boot is great for street and or entry-level track days. Great Sidi quality. Really love this deal. These are going to go fast. Cortec has a temporary price drop on two of their boots. This is the Latigo Air Boot, $143. And then we have the Impulse Air Boot. This has an interlacing system, a little more protection in the ankle area, stability fore and aft, laterally. This is $159.99. These two deals last until the end of January. This deal lasts as long as the inventory does. Next up, we have the Scorpion EXO R710 Crystal Helmet. I reduced the price on this to $79.95 over the Christmas holiday. Decided to leave it here. These are selling through well. This is a great helmet at over 50% off savings. The highlights with Scorpion, their no fog shield works. Ventilation on this is great. This is a solid lid. I highly recommend if you're in need of a new helmet and you like to save money, grab one of these before your size is gone. RS Taichi race suit promotion is still going. They've decided to extend it to the middle of February, February 15th. So we've got some time left here. Here's my Taichi suit. You can see the bugs all over it. It's dirty. I got to clean it. Essentially, if you buy a 304 suit, you can choose a free pair of WRX gloves. Awesome pair of gloves. I highly recommend those. Lots of feel. If you buy one of the high-end GP Max suits like this, you can get a free gear bag. That gear bag is also awesome. Buy a 209, get a free chest protector. While we're talking about race suits, we may as well talk about that back and chest protector comparison that we put out there. We got a nice page on the site that stacks up what I feel are the most relevant products in that category, the best stuff. Each one of them's different. Check that out. We got stuff from Force Field, Alpine Stars, Tech Air, Taichi, great stuff. Road Racing World magazine, that is the greatest motorcycle magazine on the planet. We put these free in select orders that leave our shop. Not every single shipment gets it, but most do. If they leave straight from here, you'll get a free copy of Road Racing World, and of course, there is a subscription card attached. Brand new Road 5 tire from Michelin, okay? Look at the tread design on this. This looks a lot like some old school DOT road race rubber. Tires have changed so much, and Michelin has been a big player in that. Look for a review on this, but this is really interesting. This has been a really anticipated tire release from Michelin. Cena Momentum helmet. This has a fully integrated Cena Bluetooth, either a 10S in the light or a 20S in the full Momentum. Comes with a couple of goodies, a little service ring there, a little inflatable service ring. Very cool. Look for a full review on this soon. The Shark Race R Pro helmet. I had the opportunity to ride in this for a couple of days at the end of the 2017 season at Barber Motorsports Park with Sportbike Track Time. Full review, it's out there, take a look at it, but just to give you the cliff notes, if you're looking for a quiet helmet, a quiet full face helmet, I have to tell you, this is bar none the quietest full face I've ridden in to date. Great lid, really enjoyed it. Check out that full review. And last but certainly not least, this is the 2017 Stg R6 Project Bike. This bike actually belongs to a local customer of ours, right? I didn't want to get an R6 to ride personally. I'm old, getting lazy. I like to sit in the middle of the seat. I like to corner camp, straightaway blast, so I need 1,000. So I didn't want to do an R6 for a personal bike, so we got a local. He donated the bike for us to build over the winter. Follow the build. It's on the site. Really excited about this. We've already done some of the driven stuff, fender eliminator, M4 exhaust. We got a whole stack of parts. This is going to happen real quick. We'll have this project totally wrapped up by the time the snow melts here in Michigan. So there you have it. There's our January, February 2018 deals and new stuff at STG. I want to thank everybody for watching. I want to thank you for your support, and I look forward to the riding season that's in front of us.